Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to show you a wig that will have you feeling like a total goddess, the Njoai Body Wave Lace Front Wig. Let's dive into what makes this wig so special. First up, the hair itself. Njoai uses 180% density, unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. See how soft and smooth it is? It's cut directly from a young donor's head, so you know it's healthy and top quality. This hair is full, thick, and bouncy, giving you serious volume and gorgeous body waves. Now, let's talk about the lace. This is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, which means you get a larger parting space for more versatility. Plus, the lace is transparent Swiss lace, so it blends seamlessly with most skin tones. Look how natural it looks. And to make it even more realistic, Njoai lightly bleaches the knots and pre-plucks the hairline with baby hair. Convenience is key, and this wig is all about that. It's a glueless wig with an average cap size that fits most heads. It also has adjustable straps and 4 combs for a secure and comfortable wear. Perfect for all-day slayage, no glue needed. Whether you're rocking it for a party, a special occasion, or just for everyday wear, this wig will have you feeling confident and beautiful. And the best part? This hair is incredibly versatile. It's true to length and weight, with minimal shedding and no tangles. You can dye it, straighten it, or restyle it however you like. Want a side part? Middle part? High ponytail? Bun? The choice is yours. Njoai also offers high-quality after-sales service. Their professional team is always happy to answer any questions you have about your wig. So, are you ready to transform your look with a luxurious body wave lace front wig? Head over to the Njoai website and use my code YouTube10 for 10% off your purchase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair inspiration.